Hello everyone, in this video we quickly would like to introduce the work that we finished in the Hyundai Elantra, and this one is 2014 model. So currently we fit in the 7-inch wireless Apple Carplay and Android Autos, and with the Full HD anti-glare synchronizing reverse camera. So as usual, the system is fully fit beautifully into the dash, and yeah, it looks pretty much like it was fit by factory before, and I mean, it really fit in and blend into the dash, and with the same kind of matching color. And you have new pocket storage here. You have two USB, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto. So connect all the steering wheel, and we have the steering wheel assigned to the design function that we want. So all good, all set. And yep, the camera is mounted right at the middle of the back of the car, so you can see how clear it is. We adjust the camera with the bumper. So that's all we have done. And yep, Hyundai Elantra 2014. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.